do you think? I just backed out 4 pounds.
It really,
It just knocked the fucking wind out of me at first, man. I really struggled for a half a second when it hit.
So what are you doing with this one?
Okay, so this one's got 14 Resilient Sounds Platinum 18s, all from LibertyBassShop.com. We have 2 Bass Club 17Ks, had 2 Bass Club 17Ks. We lost one yesterday. So I don't even remember what our own load is now. I think we're up in, it's high, it's stupid.
Gotcha.
It's not very fun, but we had 3 390 amp holds. And my end goal with this is really just making a demo monster.
Nice.
We'd love to put a center brace in here to have it load in that corner a little bit and still be able to thrash on those low notes.
Okay.
So that's our goal, man.
Good deal, man. Like to check it out. You get in here, it beat up a little bit. I'm not a high note guy, so I'm not a high note guy, but
try to go a little bit more that way if you want to feel it.
I'm gonna sit right here. I know about that right there. Woo!
What do you think?
Yeah, it gets you right in the chest, man. I tell you, it takes the wind out of you.
It does.
This is a very impressive build, man. Is that a 6th order in here, you
Yes,
say?
it is a 6th order.
Wow.
Each sub right now is seeing probably, I mean, this is just going right off the 17,000 watts, which we're not seeing. It's right around 1,000 watts a sub.
Have you ever metered this one? Not yet.
I mean, we got some numbers.
Okay,
I mean,
all right,
it's done 68s and stuff, but there's been things changed to it since then, so we think it's a little louder than that.
LibertyBassShop.com. Hey, make sure y'all check them out. Don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah, man.